Alright, welcome back everyone to another episode of Blunderer Academy. In this one, we had a question request via email actually from one of our subscribers. He decided to remain anonymous. And for this reason I gave him the name Sammy in the question. But the question is, your friend Little Sammy asks you to integrate this, but I'll get to that later, or else he's going to die. And we don't want Sammy to die, right? So if you want to copy this question down in your notebooks, I'll write it out bigger. It's the integral from 2 to 1 to 2 of 2x plus 1 dx. All right, so in order to integrate this, we need to first use the definition of a definite integral. And you know this is a definite integral because these two are just real numbers, right? So what you want to do first is you want to find the integral of the inside algebraic function. And by that I mean find the opposite of the derivative, the antiderivative, if you will. So you can set that equal to basically just in brackets. I'm essentially just moving this symbol into brackets, so the 2 and the 1 still stay there, and this becomes the antiderivative. So I'll give you a second to find the antiderivative of this. So go now, pause the video. Alright, so if you got this far already, good job. The antiderivative is x squared plus x. Alright, so the way you get this essentially refers back to earlier chapters of calculus, so I won't be going over it in this section. However, you'll see what I go over. And alright, so basically what I've been doing here, since I know I'm going kind of fast, is I've been using this formula where it's just the integrated function of f of x dx turns into the antiderivative of f of x, b and a there, and then that, which is the next step here, will be f of b minus f of a, and that gets you the real answer. And that's how you solve the question. So as you see, b in this case refers to 2 up for this equation. So if we were to plug 2 into this, I'll let you do that on your own. Just pause the video real quick. Alright, so if we were to plug 2 into this, we would get 4 plus 2, right? 4 plus 2. Alright, and then we subtract the function of a, which in this case is 1. You substitute it into there, and you get 1 plus 1. Isn't that great? So then you add them up. You get 6 minus 2. And I'll just pause the video real quick to get the final answer. Alright, if you got 4, that's great. You did perfectly. That's the answer. If you didn't, I mean, I guess Sammy died, but you can always try again with a different question. There's a lot of these sort of questions out there. So yeah, I hope this really helped. The answer to this is just, well, actually technically there's no answer because these are just variables. You can't have a definite answer. But anyway, sorry, I digress. This is the answer for the question up here, right? The answer is 4. So yeah, I mean, good job. Thanks for tuning into Blunderer Academy for another episode. Next episode we'll be covering the basics of thermodynamics and Gibbs free energy. So thank you.